Got some books back from CGC, 25 in here. Yeah, I think I'll just open them up and we'll look together rather than doing a long drawn out video about it. Let's just see what we got. I think the grades are going to range from like 8.5 to maybe, hopefully there could be 3 or 4 9.8s in here. So let's get it unboxed. Alright, here we go. Silverhawks number 1, 9.8. What a good start. Silverhawks number, is that 6? My glasses are not on. I think it's 6. Another 9.8. Spider-Man 323. That might be a PC book. Wow, 9.8. Spider-Man 302, 9.8 newsstand. Oh my, I did not expect that. I know I didn't. I thought I was going to get 9.4 or 6 on that. Holy cow. Was it get white pages? See, it got white pages, and the other one I got from the same guy got off white pages. It was a mistake by the grader. I'll probably have to resubmit that other one. That might be my PC copy there. Shoot. Daredevil number 163, 9.6. Beautiful. Amazing Spider-Man 301. Okay, I'll take a 9.6. I don't think there was any chance of 9.8 on that one, but we'll gladly take a 9.6. Wow, another 9.8. I didn't even know I had 2 302s in here. Whoa, okay. Transformers 36, 9.8. That is awesome. Spawn number 1, newsstand. Yes. I mean, I did prep my sheet out, so I don't know exactly what grades I was expecting, but I'm pretty sure I'm far exceeding my expectations here. Another 309, 9.8. Wow. Transformers 50, 9.8. Man, I don't think I was expecting 9.8 on a lot of these books. Daredevil 169, 9.4. Lowest grade yet, but that's fine. I mean, I think that was the range I was expecting, 9.2, 9. I thought a lot of these would be 9.4, 9.6. Thor 411, 9.6. Oh, wow, 248 newsstand. Pretty sure that's a pretty valuable book in a 9.8. A lot of people want that book. Oh, another 21. This is my favorite Transformers of all time, in case you don't know. I mean, number 10 really is, but this was the first comic I ever bought off the stands when I was a kid. There's a story behind that I'll tell sometime. All right, Daredevil 167, 9.8. Transformers 25, 9.8 newsstand. Very, very cool. Transformers 37, 9.6. Another 301, 9.6. Okay, 35, 9.2. And generally, when I do submissions, I put my lower grade books toward the end of the submission. That's just the way I do it. So I'm not surprised that some of these books are getting lower grades. There's a $2.99 newsstand, 9.6. That would have been pretty awesome to get 9.8, but we'll definitely take the 9.6 white pages, $2.99. Avengers 257 newsstand, 9.6. Oh my God. Really? That will get your heart racing. What? That is crazy. I did not expect. Whoa, okay. Yeah, I'm kind of speechless now. I lost my place now. I can't go on. Amazing Spider-Man 209 newsstand, 9.8. Amazing Spider-Man 304. And that's it. That was the last one. This is the one that is just crazy to me. Had a giant bend through the entire book. Got damaged while it was inside the slab as a 9.6. I was able to get it completely out. There's a little hint of a color breakdown here, but the rest of the book is awesome. It's one of the best fronts you'll ever see on a book, especially a newsstand. So that is the star of the show here. That is just amazing. Okay, I'll call this a super successful submission. Thanks for watching. Stay nerdy. I'll see you in the next one.